Hello everyone, good morning. I am all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take another class from the chapter Indices, and this is the second lecture. And in the previous lecture I already discussed about the rules and some new some problems according to the rules. So today I will do the exercise 7a ICSE. This channel is basically based on ICSE from SELINA books. Okay, so let's try. So the first question is evaluate. Okay, what is the first question? The first question is question 1 Roman 1. Okay, so 3 to the power 3 into 243 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 and 9 to the power minus 1 by 3, right? So we can split this one 3, we can write 3 to the power 5, is not it? 3 to the power 4 is 81 into 3 is 3 to the power 5. Okay, so 3 to the power 2 we can write this one in this way also. So I just split this one 3 to the power 5 and I just split this one is 3 to the power 2, 9. Okay, so 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power minus 10 by 3, right? It is 3 to the minus 2 by 3. So all the bases are equal. Since all the bases are equal, so the power will be added. So it will be 3 minus 10 by 3 and minus 2 by 3, right? So do the LCM here. It will be 9 minus 10 minus 2, right? So 3 to the power minus 3 by 3. So it will become 3 to the power minus 1. So 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 will be the answer, correct answer. Okay, so try the next questions. The question is Roman 5 from 1. Okay, from exercise 7a. The question is like that: 16 by 81 whole to the minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9 whole to the 3 by 2 divided by 343 divided by 216. Okay, so we can split this one in this way. We can write 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 4, right? Here 7 square 3 square whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and here we can write 3 to the power 5 and this one also 2 to the power 6 to the power 3. Okay, 6 to the power. So now we can split this one. Come here, we can split this. That is 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 3 by 4 into 7 by 3 whole to the power 2, that is power 3 by 2 divided by 3 to the power 5 6 to the power 3. Now this one will be cancelled and this one will be cancelled. So 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 and here 7 by 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, so if I multiply this one, it will be 6 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 5, right? So we can split this one also, 3 by 2 whole to the power 3 and 7 by 3 whole to the power 3 into 6 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 5, right? So it will be 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3. It will be 7 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3. It will be 6 to the power 3. 6 means we can write here 2 into 3 whole to the power 3 by 3 to the power 5. So this one will be cancelled. So 7 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3, here it will become 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 5. So this one also again cancel and this will be 3 to the power 2. So 7 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 2. So 7 to the power 7, that is 7 into 7 into 7 by 9, that is 49 into 7 by 9. So after multiplying, what it becomes? It becomes 763 and 6 28 into 6 plus 6, that is 30, 343 by 9. So 343 by 9 is the correct answer. Okay, this is the answer. So I just simplify this one. You can write 2 to the power 4 at 3 to the power 4 into here also 7 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. Here also we can write 3 to the power 5 by 6 to the power 3. Okay, after that I am simplifying this one. After simplifying, what becomes? This one becomes 343 by 9. Okay, so the next question is to simplify from question 2 Roman 2. Okay, so how can I simplify this one? Okay, we can write this one is like that, 1 by a plus b. This one is 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay, now a plus b, here do LCM, it will be a plus b by ab, right? This one will cancel, so 1 by ab is the answer. So 1 by is the correct answer, right? So now the question number 3 Roman 3 from question number 2. Okay, from exercise 7a. So how can I do this? The question is like that, 5 to the n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 to the n plus 1 by 9 into 10 to the power 5 to the power n minus 5 to the n into 2 square. So I can split this one, 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3 minus 6 into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. This is 9 into 5 to the power n minus 5 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. Now 5 to the power n, if I take common here, it will be 5 to the power 3 minus 6 into 5. And here will be, if I take again 5 to the power n, then it will be 9 minus 4, right? So 5 to the power n here will be cancel out. Okay, so 5 to the power n and 5 to the n will be cancel out here, it will be cancel out. So what will be left? To left 5 to the power cube minus 30 by 5, 9 minus 4, 5. This is, now the value of 5 to the power cube is what? 125, that is 30 by 5, and this one will be 95 by 5. So if I cut this one, it will be 19. So answer will be 19. So 19 is the correct answer. Okay, so I simplified two questions from question number 2. Okay, so next. Okay students, now I take one question from question number 4. The question number 4, the question number is Roman 4. Okay, the question is like that, if 1 minus within 1 minus n whole to the minus 1, that is upper is whole to the minus 1, that is whole to the power minus 1. So that means we have to simplify this one. Okay, we have to simplify this one, we have to simplify. Okay, so let's start. How can I solve this? Simplify this. We can write this one is 1 minus n and whole to the power minus 1. Okay, here 1 minus n, where is the LCM? That is 1 minus n, is not it? 1 minus n minus 1. So here this one will cancel, so minus n by 1 plus n minus n by 1 plus n, that is minus 1. Okay, now 1 minus n, so it will become minus it will become 1 plus n minus n. Okay, since it will be reverse here, is not it will be reverse here. Okay, so it will be become 1 plus 1 minus n, sorry 1 minus n minus n. Okay, now minus 1, so it will become 1 plus 1 minus n by n minus 1. So 1 plus n minus n by n minus 1. Okay, come here. If you came here, it will become this one cancel, the 1 by n whole to the power minus 1, that is n by 1, that is n. So n is the answer. It's so interesting question, is not it? So interesting questions. I just simplified this word. It's 1 by 1 minus n, and then after that I say LCM here. After that what becomes, this one becomes n. After that I reverse this one. If there is minus, so we can reverse this one. And after simply what becomes 1 by n whole to the power minus 1. So after simplifying, if I convert this one, it will becomes n by 1. Okay, so n is the final answer. So students, let's try another question, and the question is like that: 2160 equal to 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 5 to the power c. Then find the value of a, b, c, and hence we have to calculate the value of this. Okay, and this one is so interesting questions. So interesting question. So I first write 610 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 5 to the power c. Okay, so now we have to factorize 2160, right? So it will be 1080. Okay, 1080. Now divide again 2, that is only 5 and 4 0. Again 2, it will be 270. Again 2, it will be 1 and 3 5. If divided by 5, it will become 2 7. If divided by 3, it will be 9, and divided by 3, it will be 3. Right? These are the factors. I factorize this one. Now we can write here how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4. That is 2 to the power 2, and here 5 is 1. That is 5 to the power 1, and here 3 3's are there. Is not it? 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power a, 3 to the power b, 5 to the power c. Okay, so 2 to the power a, 3 to the power 3, 5 to the power 1 equal to 2 to the power a, 3 to the power b into 5 to the power c. Now comparing the equation both sides. Now comparing the equation both sides. Comparing the equation, comparing the powers both sides. So if I compare the powers in the both sides, so what will be? The power is here here is 4 and here is a. So a will be 4, and here the power of 3 is 3 and the power of 3 is b. So b will be 3, right? And here power of 5 is c, and here will be here is 1. So c will be 1. So what we will get? A is 4, b is 3, and c is 1. Okay, right? So one part is completed. Now we have to calculate this part. Therefore 3 to the power a, 2 to the power minus b into 5 to the power minus c. Now 3 to the power a is what? 4, 2 to the power b is what? 3, and 5 to the power a is what? Minus 1. So 3 to the power, this one is will be 81, and this one will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8 and 5. Okay, so 81 by 40 is the answer, this one. Okay, so this one is most interesting questions. So just take a screenshot from that. So the next question is, show that this part is equal to 1. So let's try. Analysis, I write the analysis here. It is a to the power m, a to the power minus n, whole to the power m minus n, a to the power n, a to the power minus l, whole to the power n minus l, and here a to the power l, a to the power minus m, whole to the power l minus m. Okay, so here we can write this one, m plus n, m minus n. Okay, here also m a to the power n plus l into n minus l, and here also a to the power l plus m and l minus m. Okay, I just use the rules. Okay, so now it is become m plus n, m minus n, and here also a to the power n plus l, n minus l, and here also a to the power l plus m, l minus m. Now if I simplify this one, what will be? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So we can use m square, s square and b square formula. Is not it? A plus b into a minus b is s square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b, what? S square minus b square, right? So we use this formula here, n square minus l square, here a L square minus M square. Okay, so now base is same, so power will be added, L square minus M square. So after cutting all the horse, so what is become at to the power 0, that is 1. So 1 is the correct answer, that is RHS is proved. RHS is proved. Okay, so student, the next question is question number 9. If a equal to x to the power m plus n y to the power l, b equal to x to the power n plus l into y to the power m, and c equal to x to the power n plus m into y to the power n, then prove that this one is 1. Okay, so let's try. So I write the left hand side here. First, what is given here? You write a equal to x to the power m plus n into y to the power l, b equal to x to the power n plus l into y to the power m, and c equal to x to the power l plus m into y to the power n. Okay, now take the left hand side. So left hand side is this one, is not it? So a to the power m minus n, b to the power n minus l, c to the power l minus m. Okay, so now put the below a, b, c here. So it will be m plus n into y to the power l whole to the power m minus n. Okay, here will be x to the power n plus l into y to the power m n minus l, and here will be x to the power l plus m y to the power n whole to the power m minus n. Okay, now if I multiply this one, it will become x to the power m plus n into m minus n, and here y to the power l into m minus n, right? Here also n plus n, n minus l, y to the power m into n minus l, here also x to the power l plus m into l minus m, and here also y to the power n into l minus m. Okay, and now the base are same. If the base are same, power is what will becomes power? Power will be added, is not it? So this one is same base. See, we use the formula. Okay, now x to the power, it will becomes m square minus l square. Here it will becomes l square minus l square, and here it will becomes l square minus m square. Fine, and into y to the power, here it becomes l into m minus n plus m into n minus l plus n into l minus m, right? So now here this one will be cancelled, so x to the power 0 will be there, and now here will be multiply lm ln plus mn minus ml plus nl minus nm. So this will be 1. If you see here, it will be almost all the part will be cancelled out, right? This one will be cancelled. So what will be left? It will be 0, that is 1 into 1, that is 1. So RHS is proved. Okay, so RHS is proved. So student, the last question of the second class, the last question of the class or of the session of the exercise is exercise simplify this. Okay, there are two questions are there, both questions are same, so just here will be minus will be there. Okay, so I just take one, and another one is homework for all of you. Okay, so try to solve it. It's so simple. It will be a to the x to the power b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square, and here will be x to the power b minus c and b square plus bc plus c square, and here will be x to the power c minus a, and here will be c square plus sc plus a square. Okay, now it will be a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, I give here. Now it will be x to the power b minus c, b square plus bc plus c square, and here will be c minus a, c square plus ac plus a square. So it is in the form of one formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is what? A cube minus b cube, is not it? So it will become a cube minus b cube, and here it will become b cube minus c cube, and here it will become c cube minus a cube, right? Okay, so since base are equal, same, the power will be added, is not it? Plus b cube plus c cube plus c cube minus a cube, right? So this one will be cancelled, all are cancelled, so what will be left? 0 will be left, the answer will be 1, so answer will be 1. So this is the final question. So I completed the exercise 7a, and next class some question, few questions are there left. Okay, all question I did not solve here, or so the rest of the questions from the exercise 7a, from indices, okay, you have to do at your home. So these are the rest questions are homework for all of you, so you have to do at your home. So I feel little bit tired because I am doing videos at now near about 1 am. So in the next class we will do exercise 7b, and the next after class we will do exercise 7c. So in that way we will do every section, every chapter and every exercise of the SELINA books or ICSE, all the classes. Okay, so thank you for watching. Take a screenshot here.